Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here at the end of the video in the corner. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So the dollar pairs are moving pretty strong today. We had made another big turn at the 78%. Now, one thing we really need to keep in mind, as always, is the higher time frames. Like I've been saying for a while now, the trend is definitely down on the higher time frames. Unless it breaks structure to the upside, the trend is down, and odds on that the trend will likely continue down. So if you are trying to go short, if you are looking for shorts, you are definitely trading with the higher time frame trend. To me, it definitely looks like a possible wave A up. Yeah, it's kind of an odd looking little pattern. I mean, I think there's three waves down right there, and maybe this is like an ending diagonal wave five, five waves of C. So like a wave B, and then one, two, three, four, five of C, like ending diagonal. Nice break of structure. We'll have to see if this move really does follow through. I mean, it definitely is breaking structure. I mean, I would assume there's a pretty good chance that it is going to now be making lower lows, lower highs, especially with the fact that the higher time frames are clearly, very clearly in a big downtrend. So the trend is your friend. Higher time frames are down. Shorter time frames. Primary focus, as always, should be trading with the higher time frame trend. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.